Today I'm showing you how to make these easy and incredibly delicious pumpkin pancakes. It's fall, it's holiday time, and I love pumpkin anything. I know I'm basic, don't hate on me. This recipe is really good, it's really easy, and it is in the description, so don't you worry, you guys are gonna love this recipe.
We've got all-purpose flour, we have baking powder, baking soda, salt, and some spices, along with some sugar that we're gonna whisk together. Next, this is gonna get buttermilk, an egg, some pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Once that's in, you wanna gently mix this just until the batter comes together. There will be a couple lumps, that's fine. You don't want to overmix the batter. Then preheat a griddle to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use about a half a cup of batter per pancake. You can of course do this with a skillet on the stove with some melted butter over medium heat if you don't have a griddle. Just cook 2 to 3 minutes per side or until cooked all the way through. I like to top with maple syrup and pecans, and this is absolutely fantastic.
This is fantastic for a quick but still really delicious and special breakfast for your family, for your friends. You can scale this recipe however many times you want. It multiplies really well. If you want to make a ton of batter and have a pancake party, I'm all about that. Once again, the recipe is in the description along with links to my other social media, so please go check those out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.